Money, the truth about wealth that no one taught you. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract money effortlessly, while others work hard every day and still struggle to make ends meet? What if I told you that wealth isn't just about how much you earn, but about how you think, how you act, and how you see the world? Today we dive deep into Rob Moore's eye-opening book, Money, Know More, Make More, Give More. This isn't just a book about cash. It's a guide to mastering your relationship with money, unlocking your potential, and building a life of freedom, fulfillment, and legacy. Grab a notepad, get comfortable, and let's explore the real secrets of wealth that they don't teach in school. Rob Moore starts with a hard truth. Your beliefs about money are shaping your financial reality. Most of us were raised hearing things like, money doesn't grow on trees. Rich people are greedy. We can't afford that. Sound familiar? These messages, planted early in our minds, create a scarcity mindset, a belief that there's never enough. But Rob argues that wealth begins in the mind. Let me tell you about Tolu, a 27-year-old from Lagos who grew up thinking wealth was only for politicians or fraudsters. After reading Rob's book and shifting his mindset, he started a small online service business. Within a year, he had 4 clients in the US and was earning more than most of his peers. Why? Because he stopped seeing money as evil and started seeing it as a tool, a servant, not a master. So the first lesson, challenge your beliefs. If you think money is bad, you'll subconsciously push it away. Rob Moore makes one thing very clear. Money is a reflection of value. He says, if you want more money, solve bigger problems. Think about that. The richest people in the world, Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Oprah, they didn't just make money. They created value for millions. You don't get rich by chasing money. You get rich by creating value that others are willing to pay for. Here's a quick exercise. Ask yourself, what problem can I solve that people would gladly pay me to fix? You might be surprised how close you already are to a profitable idea. Another powerful principle, money loves speed. Rob explains that procrastination is one of the biggest wealth killers. Most people overthink, delay, and wait for the right time. But the truth is there is no perfect time. Those who act quickly, fail fast, and adjust are the ones who win in the long run. A perfect example? Adeze, a Nigerian lady who wanted to start a YouTube channel on women's finance. She was afraid of judgment, of failure, of not being perfect. But one day she decided to post her first video, raw, simple, imperfect. Fast forward 2 years, she has over 200,000 subscribers and earns more than her 9-to-5 ever paid her. Money rewards action, not perfection. Knowledge is currency. The more you know, the more you grow. Rob emphasizes this, you must become financially literate. Sadly, most of us were never taught how money actually works. Do you know the difference between assets and liabilities? Do you understand compound interest, tax laws, or how inflation affects your savings? Here's a sobering fact. If you save $1 million in the bank at 4% interest, while inflation is at 20%, you're actually losing money. Rob recommends becoming a student of wealth. Read books, attend seminars, listen to podcasts, learn how money moves. Because the world doesn't reward effort, it rewards strategy. You don't get wealthy by having one income stream. Rob teaches the concept of leverage, using systems, technology, people, and time to multiply your results. Most millionaires don't work harder, they work smarter. Let's break down 3 common income streams. Active income, your job or business. Passive income, rentals, royalties, dividends. Capital income, buying and selling assets. Start where you are, but don't stay there. Turn your skills into services, your savings into investments, and your time into value. One of the most surprising lessons in money is this. Giving makes you richer, not just spiritually, but emotionally and financially too. Rob challenges the myth that generosity and wealth don't mix. The truth is, the more you give, time, resources, knowledge, the more value you attract into your life. Giving is a mindset of abundance. Remember, scarcity says, I don't have enough to share. Abundance says there's more than enough for all of us. So look around. Who can you help? Who can you teach? What can you give? Money isn't just paper or numbers, it's energy. A mirror of your beliefs, habits, and actions. Rob Moore doesn't just want you to make more money. He wants you to become the kind of person who deserves wealth, who attracts it effortlessly and uses it wisely. So here's your challenge. Audit your money beliefs. Find one problem you can solve and offer value. Learn one new financial concept this week. Start building a second income stream, no matter how small. Give something, anything, to someone who needs it. Because money